How can you quickly change your status in Microsoft Teams to let people know when you are busy or away? Hi, I'm Bjork, the Software Pro and a Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this training, we'll focus on changing or even customizing your status within Microsoft Teams. Teams lets you share your status with your coworkers, whether you're working remotely or working in a different area of the organization. It's also helpful to see if a colleague is available or may not be able to respond to a chat or conversation. For instance, in this chat group, I can see by that green check mark that Chris is available right now. However, when I move over to Jennifer, I'll see that she's currently away. You can also find the status by looking at the list of owners, members, and guests that are part of a specific team. Because Teams is synced with your Outlook calendar, it will automatically set your status for you. Right now, mine is showing that I'm available. To change your status, click on your profile picture at the top of the window. Now on mobile, you'll find this by going to Menu, which is the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner. Next, hover over your current status to see the other options, and simply select it to make the change. What are your specific options for setting your status in Microsoft Teams? Available indicates you're active in Teams, but you don't currently have anything in your calendar. Now, Teams will automatically change your status from available to away when you lock your computer or when it enters idle or sleep mode. Now, in mobile, this will happen when the Teams app is in the background. Busy is a choice that you can pick when you want to focus on a task, but you actually do want to see notifications that pop up, such as a new chat or a conversation in a Teams channel. Teams will automatically change your status to busy if you're in a meeting or on a call, unless you've already set your status to Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb gives you more control when you want to focus, and it's great when you're presenting your screen, because this setting will stop notifications from popping up. You'll only see notifications from Teams if that message is flagged as urgent. Be Right Back, or BRB, is when you want people to know you're temporarily away, so it's never set automatically. Appear Away is when you need to work without responding right away. And Offline is a status you might see when that person is not signed into Teams. So this is not a status that you set, but it might be displayed to other people. Another option in Teams is to set a status message. For instance, if you want to provide more information, such as you're working remotely, or you may not be available until a certain time, you can set a status message. Now I'm able to share why I'm busy and when I would be able to respond. We also have a nice option here because that status message can be set to automatically go away after today. And notice you have the options to edit and also delete this status message. Another way for you to change your status is by moving up to the search bar at the top and typing a /. Here you'll see a number of handy shortcuts, but specifically you can change your status to available, away, be right back, busy, and you have Do Not Disturb. And that's a quick look at your choices for changing your status message in Teams. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Teams or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.